Welcome to Camera Cole, where we look at life through the lens of truth. Today we're going to talk about the hook. What is a hook? What is a hook? Are you talking about the metal thing that's on the end of a fishing pole that you catch in people's mouths with the fish hook and you get... No, we're not talking about that hook. We're talking about a grab or a reach for someone's attention. This video has an awesome hook because I started being funny and then I talked about fishing hooks getting stuck in people's mouths, which is not what they're for. They're for fish's mouths. So it's a hook. I'm connecting with you with my personality, with a story, with a picture, with an image, with a joke, with a fact. A hook is something that latches into you, and then I'm able to drag more of your time and get you to go further and further into the video or into the story or into the script so that I can actually provide more information. Some people are great at doing hooks, but they have no meat on the bone afterward, and you actually annoy people. Do not develop good hooks without good information. Always make sure your hook is related to the information that you're going to provide. The best hooks help the audience understand immediately who the videos are for, and they provide what you're going to get out of the video. Hooks should hit your target audience, and that target audience should go, I'm in. And that's pretty good. I don't know if there's anything else you need to know about hooks. That was super fast, so let's go straight to keywords. Keywords are a powerful tool to utilize within the body of your script or within the hook itself. What a keyword does is it pings on someone's mental radar and it helps them identify who or what the video is going to be about or for. So if I say words like lens, tripod, mic, light, this is going to ping on a lot of people's radars who have experience making videos or taking photos. A keyword is a word that acts like a code. It unlocks something. And in this situation, this keyword unlocks access or connects you to a community. So if I say words like foundation, eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara, this is connecting to a group of people who use those objects or think about those objects or who come across those objects on a regular basis. So maybe a married guy, maybe a woman who uses makeup products. These are people who I'm pinging on their radar by saying specific words. Keywords are powerful, and they're what the algorithm uses to stereotype your video. The algorithm just makes broad assumptions based on the words that are spoken in your video, and it takes those words and it puts them in front of specific audiences or specific categories of people. Help the algorithm out. Help the people watching your videos out. Say keywords within the hook so that people who are not interested can swipe quickly and people who are interested can stick around and get the value that you're going to provide. Certain communities can be easily identified by specific keywords, and keywords can be used to hook or gain the attention of those communities. There's more notes about hooks and keywords linked below. Thank you for taking your time to talk about keywords and hooks with me through the lens of truth. This is Keywords and Hooks with Camera Cole.